An important hearing regarding the local body elections in the state of Maharashtra was held before the Honorable Supreme Court, bench comprised by the Honorable the Chief Justice. Now the net outcome of today's hearing is that matter is postponed to the Friday. Matter will be taken up at 12 noon on Friday. Today the Solicitor General and the State Election Commission sought time to present the actual data wherever the local bodies have been affected because of the exceeding the total reservation of 50%. Now the rule is that total reservation of SC plus ST plus OBC shall not exceed 50%, and that is the ruling in case of K. Krishnamurthy, which is a constitution-based judgment. Now to observe that in that judgment, the petitions have been filed and hearing is being conducted. Now in Maharashtra, mostly in 5 tribal districts and some other districts, the reservation is exceeded and then it is more than 50%. Therefore, these local bodies are 157 in number. The corporation, I think only 2 corporations are affected because of this 50% exceeding. So now the State Election Commission and the state government will make submissions before the Supreme Court on 12th. Supreme Court has also directed all the parties to submit a short note, and then the Supreme Court has expressed that some workable solution to observe the constitutional mandate to conduct the elections within stipulated period and also to harmonize the reservation of all the bodies. They will work out some formula and the elections, further elections will be announced. Now the net result is that the elections of local bodies, that is municipal councils and Nagar Panchayats, they will continue as it is, subject to outcome of the petitions, and regarding Zilla Parishad, Panchayat Samitis.